Alright.
Oh, God.
He come and popcorn with you.
No water.
I use some cream people take it and that's down in throat.
Hi guys, welcome back to another video with me and mom. Thank you guys, first of all, to say thanks so much for all of your comments that you have placed on our last video. We see that you guys, you know, have a lot of opinions and stuff like that, and we welcome all of them. We're glad to see that you're engaging in the videos just as how we would like you to engage in the videos, because you know we want everybody opinion. We want a little bit of everybody opinion, so it was good to see everybody engaging, and I'm glad that everybody enjoyed the topic, and you know everybody gave their own little viewpoints and their little 2 cents, and we appreciate that. So thank you guys for watching and commenting as you always do. We appreciate your opinion. So for today's video, we are going to talk a little bit about what is left of Christmas in our eyes, because what we may say, you may not agree that, you know, these things are left back, or maybe it's not there anymore or so. But as usual, you know, give us your comments below, tell us what you think. So I have a couple questions here for mama, and I'm going to ask her first. So, you know, as we go along, we'll put 2 and 2 together. So first things first, do you enjoy celebrating Christmas anymore?
No.
Why?
I think it's too much. First of all, things are out of range with the price, and I think it's just too much with this commercializing and everything, and you know, stuff being put in out from August, and you know, you're seeing like Christmas stuff from August, and I think it's a bit confusing to people. But
wondering
then,
why these things are
put out from now, because you know, it's like you're rushing something when you don't even, you know, finish with summer, putting back kids to school and all and something.
Exactly.
And when you look, you see people, they say, it's not that, you know, it's not that you have to buy, but it's that it annoys you.
Exactly, because the thing is,
So
you know,
why are these people? Why me I see this? Why me I see
this now?
Why me I
Exactly.
see Christmas decoration right there, so right now?
But the thing is, they're not forcing you to buy it, but they're persuading you to buy it, because
but
even though them put it out,
I mean,
them want you to buy it. Them want it to put it as decoration.
If them never look for people to buy, them would put it out. But I think them of themselves, the merchant, they might think them stress out too, you know. I think putting out those things so early, I don't know what they're trying to accomplish.
I feel like what they're trying to accomplish, normally during Christmas time, you know, sales always through the roof. People always are buying things back.
Are there still sales anymore?
That's what I'm saying.
I don't know about any other country, but I'm thinking I know about Jamaica.
I feel like
are there still sales anymore when it comes to Christmas?
I feel like maybe what they're trying to do now is maybe them not getting up during the Christmas period when them put out maybe like in November to December.
But if we not have it the end of November to December, why are we gonna find it from August?
I don't know.
So hello, they have this thing that they say, okay, the sale, their sale. I go places, I play as places often, and the thing, the item is for X. And then when they say they have a sale, they tell you that it was more than what you passed there originally or often and see it for, and then have the same price that it was originally for, saying that it's the same price. Come on. No, come on. If the thing was for $5,000, them say original, you're passing there in the other seat at $5,000, you know. All of a sudden now, you see them put sale. Oh, it was 6,500.
No,
Bam, sale 5,000.
That's such a rip-off.
No,
and I
don't even know. Rip-off plus, are we stupid?
No, catch some people sometimes.
I guess it does.
It catch some people sometimes. I think you know why people sometimes now walk past the store them every time and I look on the price or something. And sometimes it will catch people. I can't say that because at sale time people hear sale and kick up their head in the roof. But the thing is,
well, a long time in a year, a long time in a sale.
A sale out here in Jamaica.
Well, I guess it's there, but show me now and go up on the road.
No, I don't you darling. Sale out here in Jamaica isn't a sale, you know.
I don't think so.
At the end of the day,
I don't have to see. Maybe
that amount that you think is coming out.
Back then.
Yeah, back then you have a sale. There's no sale like that nowadays.
No sale.
What you see for 25-35% off, I best them the year but the original price and done.
Because it was the original price where them tell us the sale
Exactly.
price. Them just put the back them the original price. Them just hike it up and say the sale price is the regular price that it was before. But actually, this...
But as usual, Christmas is normally a very expensive time of the year, you know.
Yes,
People
it is.
spend
We
a lot.
do know.
People spend a lot. But
no, when they have it now, I guess people are curving now. They have
maybe, yeah, they have to. People have to be curving now. Nobody can spend off all of the money when they have it and then it'll come on Christmas time and January
and
come
then,
and have the money.
but no, in there already.
Already.
But all I can say, what I am enjoying right now of Christmas, it's the songs.
Do you think
Christmas
that that's what's left back of
for
Christmas
me?
for you? Yes,
for me,
you. You
all
think
that's left back
is the carols.
It's the carols. You know, originally Christmas carols, they can never grow old. They always perk up your spirit out when you not have a dollar. Like everybody knows at Christmas time, at time when it no matter where you hear, nobody wants to say, me not do this and me not do that. Them a find something to
eventually
do.
forgot to do it. Yes,
You understand? And then to be honest, I think because some people might watch this video and say, "Me in a Christmas, you know, some of them denomination, them not
and that's okay if you're not.
That's
you know,
fine.
if you're
but
not.
remember,
but this is for
for
persons who
me,
do celebrate it.
I think working hard all year, making sacrifices, doing this, doing that. I think it's okay for me that coming down because the 25th of December, not true. 6 days left in the year after that, don't? Yes, so I think it's okay. It's fine. And I am not gonna say some people go more. People do what
People
they
always
want
go all
to
the way
do.
out. Yeah, they do
People,
what they want to do.
I am not gonna say you. Oh, Kobe, you got too much.
You do too much. No,
that's on you.
Exactly.
That's on you. You see what I say? But I like nice
because it is
Christmas.
the season of giving, as it is. That's
It is.
That's literally what the main point of it is supposed to be. At the moral of the season, it is the season of giving, and not
no,
just.
me I go stop you right there, so.
Well, that them.
Me I go stop that. You see, it's not always. It's not always what the crowd wants it to be. It can't be only the season of giving. You have to receive too.
Well, giving and receiving.
So me not class if you give, me not.
No, yes, no, yes.
So it's about.
I think people give to you as well.
Yeah, but
so
some
you give to somebody give to you.
No, but I would say it's a season of giving and receiving. But I don't know how much now. I don't know how much now. It is a season of giving and receiving. Actually, people literally I cut down pan present when them buy and give people, you know, because you have some people over the years them been a collect, you know, and them not give nobody nothing.
That's true.
You understand? But I would not say it's the season of giving. I would just say for me, Christmas is a time when we come together and enjoy.
So you think so for you the moral of Christmas is for you is togetherness, basically.
Yes, togetherness with everybody because that's how I knew it as a small child coming up. You understand? When we that country and feel like a family come up and I carry all the little dan, the little candy, them, the cake and all them something they come and everybody come together and down my mother and we just you know, Christmas Day a big day, you know. You get what me I say? Yeah. I don't even know how much Christmas Day is a big day now, because nowadays Christmas Day people ain't gone all about a fast food place. Christmas Day is a big day. Christmas Day is a family day.
That's how I'm thinking of them big.
I personally, even though I have such a bad taste in my mouth of biological family, I still love family. I am a family woman. And I literally love to see families coming together and enjoying. You take this, you know, okay, we're going to have dinner here this year. You bring this, you bring that.
And I feel like
I like families that do that. That is the time. I like the type where you just pick up yourself, go people yard for going after people and food and you know, all you do is present yourself here.
I feel like everybody chipping in as a bit
right.
A food here, a food here, something nice. It lessens the stress on the person.
It lessens the stress and everybody coming together as opposed to you alone in the kitchen at a turn over for yourself.
Exactly. I remember say you post it already, you know. You can do
exactly.
Together.
You know, say Auntie Punsi I go come there so she carry one put where I burn up yes or no. Cousin that's how I come from right there so she carry a little drinks and everybody come and them look on something spread and everybody chip in and everybody with kids and everybody and we eat and drink and if we want to watch a movie and then we tidy up and clean up and everything leftovers we take back with us and that is the Christmas I like. That is the Christmas, even though we're picking our country, that is the Christmas we knew back then. And then too, we think about the less fortunate. Right? You know, say you live a country and you know, say, you know, Miss Mary down in that, she down on that tunnel there, so she live down in there, so my mother always a cook and a help little food, give me here, me have all 5, 6 little rounds, so carry them little food, go give them little sorrel and them little piece of cake. I'm not sure if that is happening anymore.
I was about to ask you, do you think that people are still, you know, giving to the less fortunate in this time?
Yes, some people really are, but what I am going to say now, I think they're doing it for a show. Cause when them a give little food now, little thing camera for the pan, and it have to the on the internet. So for me, I not rate that. I think it's just a show. They are giving, but
they're giving.
Them definitely
they
have
have
to
an
make sure
ulterior motive for their.
it have to depend on the internet, and for me, not rate that. You know, I like that. It is just that love. You understand?
You're just helping someone. You just want to help someone.
I know that XYZ round the sun, they don't have it.
Yeah, you don't need no thanks.
No, I don't need no thanks. But just know,
you're just doing it out of the
I'm packing this little thing. I am packing, just like how you see me know, say, about show up a house, this and now, and I him up there, I'm packing, I have to put no camera up. I don't need for show nobody say, I fit him stuff this and this. I don't need for that.
You're just doing that out of the kindness.
Yeah, I just want to do that.
It's a time when you're supposed to, you know, give back.
Yes, and because I think that it is my duty to do that, right? So I don't need for show the world. You get what I'm saying? So maybe there are some people, but I just see say, everything is just a show.
Everything is kind of like commercialized.
Yeah, it's commercial, and when we say commercialized, we're not chat about the merchant, them are everything.
No, when we commercialize,
everything
I don't mean the merchant salon. I mean everything, everything in general.
Yeah, pack a little box with little food for care go give somebody. Somebody have to there. You have to show in them house and this and that. You know, we back then be in the country. You know, say Christmas we go and they go wash up. My mother used to send me go some little old people, little family them clean out them house, wash up them house, buy two little cheap sheet at town, and took a curtain and
make them bed for them.
Yes, yes, that is what I'm talking about.
And them get them little food and maybe
Christmas they still give them. You know, just care food go give them Christmas day alone. You give them a little box by themselves with them local something. Cause maybe Christmas day where you cook your go give them, they must want to eat it.
They must want to eat it, true.
And you suppose them feel like say you send rice and peas and chicken, and then I want the rice and peas right now. But you give them local so them have a bread. No, then you give them a box, some box with something. So them kind of old people love bread, you know. No, them because you know them teeth get, you know, and they love bread. You know, so them want put something, because most time I can't remember when mama said me, then say, the mother say, come me girl, take out the rice, put this up for me, give me a piece of meat and give me one slice of bread. You get what I'm saying? So even though you're giving them something to eat, you give them a little box. That is if you can afford it.
Yeah, that's if you can afford it.
But I think for the less fortunate, you fit try. I think if you're doing something for the less fortunate, you are to try. When we say try, I mean try as best as you can.
As you can.
You know? So, that is so for me.
That's that for you, okay.
Yeah.
So speaking with still tying in what's left back of Christmas. A very big part of Christmas, everybody know a Christmas movie. Everybody love watch Christmas movie.
I do.
Me and mommy, very big Christmas movie.
You know, me always attack me when it come to the time of area. Me love
anytime
or kick back and watch.
Anytime it reach around the Christmas time, like November, I would say around that time.
Start from late October when we're ready.
But to us, our little Christmas time story start like November going into
for me
December.
And you, like as mother that we
right?
always,
the rest of our family isn't really crazy about Christmas, but just me and mommy really mostly like it and show our love for it through
each other. I like, but
and the big part of it for us is Christmas movies. We'll turn on one, we could have a clean and a sweep up.
Right, it's always nice when you're, you know, everybody do that little extra something on Christmas.
And we'll sit down and watch it together.
Even sometimes you see people them are who love decorating, changing up, doing this, and watch your movie at the same time. It's very nice. I like that. Me personally like that. Because some people work in the day and they don't have the time until at night.
Yes, for do what they have to do.
What is this though? I noticed that like people outside of Jamaica, none of Jamaicans do it. Christmas Eve night is a very big night for the family. I didn't know that.
Yeah, okay. So it's a big night because yes, number one, you're probably like you're getting ready for host Christmas the next day. Obviously, you know, you're season up your meat and all of that stuff. Another thing though that I've seen recently, it's kind of the night where not just family, but like family and friends. So like you carry friends over, and you do like, you know, like knickknacks, you bake little cookies, and you do like stuff like that.
At this point,
and that is the night now they'll watch all the Christmas movies.
Yeah,
that's what
I'm not
feel
sure
like
if that is going on so much. I think people are trying to make it be family, because this, when it comes to friend right now, it can be.
Well, yes, that's for some people. As I'm saying, it's for some people.
To be honest, true.
Yeah, it's for some
that's
people.
True. That's
but
true.
normally, what them would I do on a Christmas Eve night? Them will make them little chocolates and then little tea, them little milk in them
what we
chocolates
would
and
do,
make some little cook. What we would have done now?
No, I mean like for me, it's no man. Back in my days when me a younger woman, yeah man, me hope, and when me live out, and you know when you live in a yard, tenant yard, people, then, well you don't know, people watch you, you know, and so some of them changing curtain from all early Christmas Eve morning and gone by. So me not change my one till all 1-2 o'clock in the morning. When everybody wake up in the morning, I hear them and say, like she not change the curtain, you know, you can pass and them sitting there. Like she not change the curtain and them something. When they wake up Christmas morning, them see my curtain, my new me love put up my curtain 1-2 o'clock Christmas morning. That's the time I like to put up my Christmas curtain. Not anymore, because I'm not doing that no more, because I'm not a curtain and then something there again.
Yeah.
You know? That is, I really like it, but like they getting together and they make like, what would I make? Chocolate and cookies.
Yes,
No, I would really like to experience that, to be honest. Even though everything away, everything is going away. I think if you want to and you have good family, you can bring it back.
Yes, you can do it for yourself.
You know, said the grand marketing, it don't.
That is actually out of the mix. I was going to talk about something that you think is no longer.
Yeah, grand market.
That's dying in
Grand market over at Jamaica before it starts.
It done before it starts, and by the time me ready to go experience it, that gone in at the gully already. So
I don't think you have
because I've never experienced a proper grand market.
No, you have never.
I tried, but it didn't work out.
No, I thought. Me think when you come, when you start to understand, it was dying. It was really dying. Yeah. Because when me carry a half a tree, I got experience grand market the first year, and when me reach a half a tree, me step out of a grand market up here. How a grand market in Jamaica, but you can't comment anyway there. All the Jamaicans are abroad. Let me tell you something, man. When grand market at half a tree, because I don't own the place me ever go a grand market, me not lose my mind for go down Kingston grand market. I lose my mind like that. But half a tree grand market, you can remember when Jared was a baby and me, dad and Jared go up there. As near as we were walling on each other with him up Jared, and as near as him is, we can't hear each other. Because you don't have to worry about nobody, whether you drive your own vehicle or you have to, grand market was like good back then. People are come home early Christmas morning with them little goodies. Well, that was a sale. That's the way you like get the sale. But to be honest, me don't know why Ghana, Jamaica.
Could I buy somebody a little present that night?
Yeah, man. I would have said we buy the one like present them, man. Now, some little things where you never see us, me never get them. So you just save up a little money and
you go there.
Yeah, but that grand market something there.
Yeah, that kind of dead out now. And I'm kind of sad because I wish I could have experienced like
I am not
a proper one, what that is about.
Yeah,
but
I would have.
From me got a little time and me realized that.
And it gets worse and worse.
I don't even think the grand market exists anymore a year time. Because it's not something that is.
I've not tried to go.
Grand market used to be something that is announced. When I was younger, I still remember. It used to be something that was announced. Be like, oh, the 23rd and the 24th.
And when we see them at doing grand market, now, it happen like regularly.
Nobody now.
Grand market are just a fast food place, people. And look at people on the road where I buy them. And look here.
Remember music now play a dead silence.
Some of them don't look at hustling out the road. Jamaicans me attack. Don't stop taking a look at money by the truck them. They don't want no more truck and dolly again. It's a different era.
That's so true.
Please, you know people always save the little money and buy up some little goods and them something for grand market. Them make a money grand market night. It burn my heart.
Nobody now really make the money.
When on take on a little money and invest it and go buy up the pit, they don't want no dolly and no truck, on buy something different. You better on buy some play iPad or something. But you see that little truck something and the little dolly, and when you look, you see them with the whole heap of merchandise and sit down and them not.
One thing though that children will always like around Christmas time. Don't ask me, come do I want to. You know them play kitchen there for some reason.
Lord Colby, nobody no money if you buy no play kitchen in the car that expensive.
Them not have it, I understand. But like the smaller one, them not the big one, them with like you can walk in and stuff. I mean like the little set in your hand.
Oh, them little set there, them little teeny something.
With the little play strawberry and them. Children still like those. I don't know. At a certain age though. At a certain age, you know, you want to do something. But small ones.
Yeah. So for the people who are trying them look juggling, shop wise, buy wise.
Yeah, you have to look at things that people
start maybe you have a little partner, forget now you say, yeah, hear me, Christmas Eve night, me I go buy for see if me can make a money, half a tree downtown or something. Wanna buy wise, buy sensible. Buy sensible because when it not sell off and it pack up and uno go get miserable and look money burn up. You know, buy wise. Look what go on, look what take the market. Please buy wise, okay? Okay. I'm wish you all the best.
This one, alright, this is like I think like the second to last one, or maybe the last one. Maybe not second to last. Christmas traditions.
Oh, what are Christmas traditions? Like, I don't remember.
As in, you know, something you do every single year. It's a tradition. It's something that you actively do every single year. You have to do it during your Christmas time. But
make sorrel?
Yeah,
that's a tradition.
Yeah,
Christmas cake.
Yeah, that's a tradition.
Well, look here now.
So what? No, I'm not talking about the cake. Our Christmas tradition. What's our normal Christmas?
In
tradition?
our home here?
Yeah. So what do we always do?
I don't remember. Hold on.
We don't do it inside the home, you know. But what do we always?
Oh, exchanging of gifts.
Yeah,
names for gifts.
Yeah,
we always do
pixie,
that.
but that's not it. But we have.
Hold on, I put me on the spot here now.
I mean, say where they say they need to do better with it nowadays.
I don't remember.
When we go to look at the Christmas lights every year.
Oh, every year when we go to look at Christmas lights. I think that has lost it too.
Yeah. It's something that
with
me and mom always,
big highlight bill, me think people them lose
me and mom always actively go
but
to
what I am thinking,
lights,
I was really thinking like
kind of with the
from some years ago, you see, I was really thinking like Jamaican people put up Christmas tree. Because back then it would be on your patio or on your veranda.
No, man,
but I have come to the realization now that I people also there. But question, are the right thing that in the house? Is it okay? Are you enjoy? You feel say you enjoy it?
I do think so because when it's out the sun night,
people pass a road.
To be honest,
yeah.
You not see your Christmas tree inside of your house where you do and you like and you enjoy. People out the road I see.
So I guess
if I was to say you want to decorate your outside, I would say get some little pepper light for decorate outside.
Colby, remember say you don't know about for walk street at night. We know about that, you know, in my younger days. When you walk street at night and pass in some nice area, every house you see them Christmas tree and them veranda.
Yeah.
You always walk and compare and say, wow, that is the best one on the avenue.
Yeah, but here the next thing now we have to.
And people would sit on them veranda.
Some people
and enjoy it.
Yeah, but nobody know on the veranda at night time. I know you get things and time is very
change
very
everything.
And nobody's sitting out on their patio 10-12 o'clock at night time with a Christmas tree like say a show and tell. Nobody now do that again.
Yeah, and then again maybe you will be judged by the size Christmas tree.
Exactly.
Oh, that's where we are now.
So
that's where we
are. Also another thing that you have to keep into mind.
But to be honest, I'm not sure if I'm enjoying it on the inside. I don't think so.
You don't enjoy it as much on the inside?
I don't.
But you're not seeing anything there on the outside though. So which part?
Yeah, but but you can't sit down if you're in the in front you can crack your door halfway and you see your Christmas. I'm not sure if I enjoy. Maybe I come from the old school where it always the on the veranda. We never normally put Christmas presents underneath the tree. We always wrap it and have it in our room somewhere. And when we come the morning, breakfast, we just come out, everybody come out with it for them. But I guess we Jamaicans have Christmas presents underneath the tree. I follow some people. I just mean that, you know, could be, it could be not, but I just feel so. No, whoever get the person name you get, you wrap it, buy a gift, and nobody not even knowing you buy your gift, and you wrap it and have it in the comforter wherever you want.
I guess yes, the secrecy of it obviously because it's Pixie or Secret Santa or whatever they call it. But I do like the look of the tree inside your home and you have the presents them under there. You know, the morning everybody comes.
Some of them are really
down.
like
Because
fake,
instead of just waking up in the morning, here, Merry Christmas, see a present here. No, I enjoy everybody, you know, sitting down together for a little bit, sharing a little
word. Having a nice cup of tea or something, 2 cookies.
You know, and play a little Christmas music in the background and exchange your gifts them in that
if you notice, you know, that Christmas morning breakfast, them in the night again.
No, me not do that. Me can't put up that because you're going to eat so much food later.
And then go back and dinner.
So why would you just make a little cup of tea and man not eat 2 little crackers or something like that for all of the gas because they go cook later.
I think people. I know what people are coming and commenting and say them not care for Christmas, but I think people still care.
Yeah.
People are still, even though some people not cooking and so, I really like the fact that they are giving gifts and they are reaching out to other people.
Yes, that's what's at the end of the day. Christmas is not really about the cooking, in my opinion. You know, it's important, yes. Because,
the cooking have to in there.
No, it has to be in there, but the more
well, not
Christmas,
for me personally.
Yeah, no. Yeah, the cooking isn't really anything big for us, but it's a part of Christmas, yes. But the moral of Christmas, as you said, is togetherness, and I believe the same. Some people think the moral of Christmas is food. I don't think that is such.
It should not.
And it should not be.
It should not.
It should not be.
Yeah.
But our morals of Christmas is togetherness, as you have said, and that is what I stand by. Which is why I said I like in the mornings, you know, when you can sit down, you have the tree right there, so you have little gifts them. Everybody sit down, have the little cup of tea, talk, whatever, share laughs, whatever, and they exchange your gifts in that light and in that aura.
Well, everybody to their own order.
But each to their own order. Exactly.
Me have one little something now. Put the picnic them at them bed. Put the kids to bed Christmas Eve night. Putting out away put out cookie and milk.
We don't believe in that out here. Let's not even get it. We don't believe in that out here.
We don't
because
believe in that.
People don't believe in Santa.
No.
So it's not something we grew up on.
But
so
look, I don't understand the question. Listen, we're not believing it, but I want to ask a question. Do these parents that are doing that, or wherever they live with the culture and whatever, do they really think that these kids are buying that thing?
No,
Santa come eat up the cookie.
Let me tell you why they're still kind of doing it. I kind of understand too, because children are so desensitized nowadays to certain things. As in, they don't feel that excitement for certain things. Like when you're used to smaller, you know, you'd feel excitement around Christmas time. Nowadays around Christmas, they just want present, phone. They don't care about that.
Yeah, and they're too much gadgets.
So that's why I'm saying they're desensitized to the culture of what true Christmas is. And what I feel like
are
some
children
parents
still getting books for gifts and them something? I don't know.
I like reading. That's one little book right now. Somebody want to give me.
I don't mind getting a book for a gift.
But I do think the reason why parents, maybe in that culture, in that country, try to still do those things, they're trying not to let children lose the sense of what Christmas was or is, because people are losing it all around.
But Cobb, if the kids know that not go so,
well, if they know it's not
it's a lie.
Makes sense.
That's what I'm saying.
Yes, it makes sense. Feed it to them if they know it's not true. But if they don't know if it's true, yes or no, you still try to keep that tradition into your family.
I don't think no picnic with them now, unless them are like some little toddlers.
Yeah, I mean like toddlers.
And these some of these little they're literally when they come and see these things, they're literally looking. Them not saying, but they're literally what? You know, they don't say, but they're
curiosity.
I think they're getting more confused than more even believing in a Santa come take it. I think so.
Yeah, well, as I said, yeah. I do understand that some children will be confused because they're saying how is
because
that
remember they saying what was in from the wise and prudent now revealed to the babe and something. Why try to tell say XYZ and like
but no. I think maybe
you're confusing I don't know.
I think maybe just like how we are saying that is Christmas still alive or is it dying down? I feel like when you pluck out some of these things out of there and it's no longer a part of it, the Christmas really does start to dwindle down. Because let's say, for instance, for us, let's say we take out, let's say Christmas music change and it not sound good anymore. Oh, Christmas dead for we.
I don't think they can ever change Christmas music.
Christmas would have dead for we when they change Christmas
especially because we Jamaicans, we have the reggae to some of these Christmas music, which
and
is
we love and we love some of these regular Christmas music.
I love some of the regular Christmas music, but they have the reggae
the reggae
version that they put to it, and oh, it is so beautiful.
Yeah.
So
And
what
that's
am I gonna replace it with?
Thank you. And that's what I'm saying. If in that culture, when they take out maybe the essence of like Santa and the cookies, when they pluck that out, a huge chunk of it is kind of gone for them.
Well, we don't have Santana cookie.
But we
at
don't have that,
Jamaica.
as I said, because we don't. That's not our thing. We have something to maybe replace that, right? We have something to replace that. But
We
for other
not pay that. I don't think we have paid that, no man.
But that's not our
We don't
thing.
start singing and talk about Santa, but I don't think we have.
Yeah,
paid
no,
that,
we don't pay mine because we know it's not true. Jamaican and a chimney for nobody come down, you know?
No.
And anybody come down in your house at night time, that's robbery. So we know that those things as Jamaican people, we know they're not real, they're just little fallacies and whatever. But I guess it kind of keeps the spirit
But
alive
even though
for
it's
some
going
people.
away now, I still like the season. I still like the feel.
I still enjoy
the
this.
weather is the most thing that, you know, the weather holds you 1st That fall, that even though the sun is out bright, but there is a breeze blowing and you're not as hot, and you know the whole everything just change. You just feel different. Your whole thinking, everything feels different, right? There are the fall season. There it alone. If you live in the country, if you live at St. Mary, you see the cane. They starting the first time people that say flagging, they're blooming. That you know. And for me, I want to get into my house very early.
Very early.
Yeah,
Exactly.
when it comes to this time of the year, I try to do everything that I have to do. It doesn't matter how my house nice or whatever. I just want to have my doors closed by X time. I just want to be in the comfort of my
your
home.
Exactly.
That's just me. And that is where a movie or two
would come in. Exactly. Or you
Yeah.
pay a little color, like you
Yeah.
drink your little
Yeah.
chocolate
Yes.
tea.
I don't want a chocolate if you want. That's a wine. Come on, know what the
Yes, wine or chocolate or whichever one you want to drink. But yeah, that's our discussion for today, guys. We hope you enjoyed it. You know, leave your comments down below.
So you say you never want to talk about the sorrel and the cake, but we could have that for your next time.
Yeah.
Okay,
When we reach further, maybe
Yeah.
if we want, we can do like a sorrel and cake this thing as we talk about it. We have like a sorrel and like a cake in front of we. Kind of makes sense. We have to talk about something and have it in front of we feet.
And the hungry start there.
Exactly. So we hope you guys enjoy this video. You know, leave your comments down below what you think about the season. Do you think it's dwindling away? Do you think it's
I think
still
you can
alive?
still make it what you want.
Yes, and you can also still make it what
if
you
you're a person that really care for that nice little, you know, the little whatever, you don't know, they know that little, as I said, the weather makes you feel that way.
Yeah.
And if you're somebody that care for it, you can make it what you want, and you're not fair spend where you're not have.
Exactly.
You know.
Yes. So thanks for watching, and we will see you guys in another video.
Bye.